manufacturing is a key industry for a lot of buyers, but there's some really easy ways to add value to manufacturing right now. What's nice about manufacturing is it's still what I would call a blue collar, a very steady business. The first thing I would do is I would go back to my margins again. What can I do to improve the margins and the capacity of my manufacturing plant? I would probably try and make it less people dependent because the labor pool has gotten very tight in industries like that, and hiring the right people has become harder and harder. So is there investments I can make into technology or maybe even robotics that could increase the capacity of my footprint as it exists today? I'd also look at process improvement and how I can become more consistent over that manufacturing process. So in manufacturing, waste and inefficient processes are going to drive down your margins. And so do I have the right processes and systems in place to make sure that we're minimizing waste and we're, again, increasing our capacity so we have a higher success rate on the entire manufacturing process? And the last piece I would do is I would plan well in advance. If you're in a manufacturing business, one of the biggest ways to increase your value is to create a competitive bidding environment. So a lot of these manufacturing firms are getting courted by private equity and by other investors, and they're just responding and saying yes to the first offer they get. Where in reality, there's hundreds of offers behind that first offer that they haven't even investigated yet. So if they plan in advance, they can create a competitive bidding environment and therefore not be subject to just one offer.